going to Ikea because I really badly want to go to Ikea in Sweden. Then we're either going into Norway or really close towards Norway.
It's the Ikea.
Swedish
Ikea.
It's in
Sweden.
Sverige. Are you ready for the true Swedish Ikea experience? This is clearly not one of those Dutch replicas.
It's way.
It's more Swedish.
It's more Swedish, yeah. Inkijkers.
Wow. How does it sit, this Ikea?
It's amazing.
Well, that the viewer
Very
enjoyed
bouncy.
as well.
Very bouncy. It's pretty good.
Ikea designing at its finest.
A pure form of art. This cave chair built by Huskebrud.
And Huskebrud knows what he's doing. Swedish Den Helder.
Yeah.
Okay, people at home are going in for the first actual Swedish Ikea meatball.
Yeah?
It tastes the same as in the other ones.
Okay.
Yeah. Is it common?
Look, listen to
guys do
Living in
that?
the Netherlands
Yeah,
podcast. It's on Spotify, I think.
you?
Yo, what are people from the Bart vlogs? This isn't even half a tank. And it's in Norwegian, so if you're thinking like us in euros, which is almost the same as dollars or pounds right now, it's around 60 bucks.
Yeah, just shove the comma one
Think
decimal to the left.
Yeah, so it's 25 liters, 60 bucks.
What can I say? lake? How was the lake?
The lake was muddy. I'm cleaner outside.
Extremely muddy. We're actually dirtier outside of the water than we went in. So we're gonna have a quick shower and we're keeping it real out here.
We're driving! Yay! Okay, listen up, peeps and peepettes. We're driving to Lillehammer as we speak. Janik is super hyped about Lillehammer. Right, Janik?
Am I?
Yeah.
Yeah, I am. I guess.
Know, what's more hype, Bambalunda?
Lillehammer.
Lillehammer is more hype than Bambalunda?
Yeah, for sure.
So then you know the amount of hype that's behind this one. So, yeah. I think we'll see you and catch you guys on the flip flop.
Pure inspiration right here. A lyrical genius. A true artisan.
So, Lillehammer, are you ready?
Yeah, we're in Lillehammer right now. We're going to the stairs, which is close to the ski jumping arena. I don't know what it is exactly. We're going to check it on recommendation of my brother.
Shout out to
Rob. And
Rob, homeboy.
What
is
else?
For you.
There's an open air museum somewhere nearby, so we're probably gonna check that out.
Yeah, because you know me, I love museums. I'm really like a museum guy. They call me Mr. Museum. Did you know that?
I knew that.
That's impossible because it's not true.